Hello, it's Jam Games here once again, and in this video we will uh, do some little adjustments. So first we have to fix this, if you haven't noticed, but the gun is clipping through the walls like this. So let's begin with it. It should be pretty easy. We just have to go to the blueprints folder and to the PP first person character. Let's open it. Okay, now actually I will close all of these because we don't need those. Now let's go to the first person camera here and to the viewport. So what we have to do is just click this lock here and write like 0.5. Let's make all the things smaller because it doesn't actually matter, because those are just things that we see through the camera. Okay, now everything looks exactly the same, but we're not clipping anymore through the wall because uh, we are actually a lot further away from the wall, but it looks exactly the same. Okay, that's fixed. Next thing is this. You can see the bullet holes fade away after like 4 3 meters, you know. At least I don't like this. So let's go back to the PP first person character and let's open the fire trace function. And here, after it spawns the decal, we want to get from the return value and set fade screen size. Okay, and now we want to add it there in the middle and connect this link to there, and we can just leave it to 0 because decals are pretty cheap and it doesn't actually cost much performance. So yeah, now if we shoot, they are always visible, and at least for me it looks pretty good. Okay, we have fixed that. The next thing is the next thing is this. With this gun, we have this amount of weapon sway. You know, it's pretty like not that much, but it adds some like I don't know immersion to immersion. I don't know how to say it, but this makes it look better. But if we use the AK, then it has so much, like too much, at least I think, because this doesn't look that good. It should have like this amount or something like that, but it has like okay. So now we want to go to the weapon struct here and add a variable, and the type should be float, and the name we want to call it ADS underscore ADS way amount like this. Now we want to go back to the weapon data table to here. Now for this weapon, or actually let's go back to the first person character first. Let's open the event graph. And oh yeah, to here, event tick, let's find the weapons way. And here we have our like these clamp things, clamps the rotation amount. So now these are the values to like right and left, and these are some another values. We want to use these as base because these were pretty good for the first weapon. So now we can get the oh, we don't have it yet. So actually, let's go to the set weapon stats first. Now from here, promote this to a variable and connect it to here, like this. Weapon data ADS way amount. Now we have it here, but we want to move it to the weapon stats folder, so it's there. Okay. Now compile and save. We can close this set weapon stats function. Now we are here, so we want to keep the default value as 2, but we don't actually have to set it here, so we can just get. Now it's 2, so we can just connect it to here. So those values should be always the same. So if we put it to the AK we want to be like half of this amount, it should be 1. So if we set this to 1, it straight away this 1, you know. And this is 0.25, which is 1/8 of this amount. So let's divide. And let's divide it by 8, like this. And actually I will remove this and get it from here. I think it looks a little bit better. Now I will move this to here also, and there. And now this is 0.03. And from 2, if we want to get 0.03, we have to divide it by 66.7. That's close enough. It's like 0.0299 something. But yeah, it doesn't matter. It's close enough. So now those are done. I will actually move those a little bit further away. Okay, now those are done. Now we actually want to set those variables. So now for the AR4, let's put it back to 2, because that was good for me. 2. And for the AK, let's first try that everything works. Let's leave it to 0. Okay. Now, if we go to play, that's the same as before. And if we use the AK, it shouldn't have anything. Okay, it doesn't have anything. So now we can set it from here to, for example, 1. Let's try and see how it looks. This is still good. AK1, yeah, it's a lot better. It's still like somebody might say it's too much, but I think it's pretty good. Like this. Okay. Looks pretty nice. Yeah. And actually one more thing. I think these bullet holes are too big, at least in my opinion. Let's make them a little bit smaller. Let's go back to the far trace to here. They are 5 right now. Let's make them 3, for example. I don't like that they are so big. Okay, let's make it 4 then. I don't know that much about guns. Yeah, I think that's good for me. You can set it to whatever you want, of course, and later we can add some logic to, so each weapon can have own bullet hole and own like bullet hole size and stuff like that. So, for example, like high caliber weapons will make a bigger bullet hole or stuff like that. But yeah, now one more thing that I had in my mind was you don't have to do this if you don't want, but I was going to remove this stamina number here on the screen, but now I think I will leave it there, but I will make it look much better. So first we just want to remove that number because I don't like that. We want to remove this get text function. Now let's go back there, and now I want to get a progress bar, and I will put it here. I will anchor it to the left, like bottom corner to here. Okay, now I will make the size like 12 maybe, and it's like 300, and position minus 100. I think it's now pretty good, and I think it's pretty okay. Now we actually want to go to the style, background image. We want to set this alpha to 0, and fill image. I want to set this. Actually, we don't have to do anything. Box and box, everything is okay. Margin, what are these? Okay, let's check those later. Oh, where did it go? There. Okay, actually, let's name it sprint underscore progress bar or something like that. And now let's go to the, I will set the render opacity to 0.8, like here, 0.8. I like it. And now actually I want to set the person to 1, so it's like full. And his color, let's set it to white, completely white like that. Okay, now it does look like that, and I don't actually like background image and image. Oh, why does it do that? Border? No, no, no. Box. Okay, then now okay, so I set that to 0010. I don't know if it does actually any. I'm not like very familiar with this, but okay, now I think it looks like decent. Why is that corner looking like that? I don't know. Let's check it. Left. Oh, let's 0.1. Okay, I don't know. I will check it later. So yeah, now it's there, the bar, and you can obviously make it what size, whatever size you want, like 200, so now like 250. I don't know. Actually, I will make it 250. I think that looks good. And this size, like whatever you want, you can make it as big as you want. I think 12 looks pretty okay. And now we want to go to the percent, which is this one. Let's go and create a binding. Now the binding is simple as get as bb first person character and get stamina. Oh, stamina. Get stamina current and get stamina max. Get stamina max. Now we want to divide the stamina current with stamina max. So if it's 100 and 100, it should be 1, but if 50 and 100, it should be 0.5. So yeah, okay, that's simple as that. Now we can check if everything works. It should be working. Okay. Yeah. And weapon is not clipping through the walls. Bullet holes are working. Sprint bar is working. Okay, I think this was all for this video. If you liked what you saw and if you learned something new, please click the like button and subscribe for more. And yeah, see you in the next one. Bye.